Great pride in our products, and we are never satisfied until our customers are 100% satisfied. So please join with Zetec, and you will receive great value for your hard-earned investment Manufacturing dollars. Company Limited, Zetec, is a high-tech enterprise focused on the production of air bubble film machines. Our prime location at Beijiao Town, Shunde District, Foshan City, Guangdong Province, China, we provide several significant logistical advantages, including shipping, raw materials procurement, and human resources recruiting. Our Zetec developed products have sold well throughout the country and have also been sold to the United States, Canada, Europe, Southeast Asia, the Middle East, Africa, Russia, and other countries and regions. The Zetec production workshop covers more than 6,000 square meters and has been equipped with a complete collection of welding equipment sets and advanced machine tools to produce precise components for assembly. Zetec adopts a special vacuum bubble system and double-side cooling system for better cooling to ensure the bubble production quality and high-speed production. The equipment assembly is conducted according to the specific customer